The NEXES Premade Simplex standard model fills and seals larger Premade pouches and bags. It's based on an innovative patented concept with a high degree of operational automation. It's suitable for packaging all kinds of products in pouches and bags. It has a minimum of mechanical components, with high-speed automated format changes and low maintenance requirements. Output up to 60 pouches per minute. Maximum pouch sizes up to 280 millimeters wide by 400 millimeters in length. Pouch types include doypack, stand-up pouch, and flat-bottom bags. The NEXES Premade Simplex Standard Fill and Seal Packaging Machine for Premade Pouches from Allied Flex Technologies.